What's up, guys? It's Tyson time with the Tattooine Battle Pack. Let's get this thing cracked open. So, on the box, I'm seeing we have two jawas with their stud shooter pistols. We got a Tuscan Raider, and then we have a generic astromech and what looks like a mini sand crawler. And then on the back, it just shows the action features like the crane spinning and being able to move up and down. And then it has the jawas attacking the droid to take to the big sand crawler, and then how to work the stud shooters. Let's get this thing cracked open. So we have some pretty neat figures here. First of all, we have a generic astromech, and he's pretty cool looking. Second, we have a Tuscan Raider with his stick. Put in the comments down below if you can remember what his stick is called, because I cannot remember right now. Next, we have the two jawas, and at first glance you might think that they're the same, but if you look closely, they have different torsos. They have different straps and different shirts on. So there's actually two different jawas that you get in the battle pack. And then the miniature sand crawler sled thing. It's got a rotating piece right here. And then it has a crane so you can grab the droid by the top of his head. Or if you were to take off the Jawas hoods, you could also grab them. It has a 1x1 shooter piece. So you can do like that. There's one on either side, and it's the same for the Jawa ion pistols. And then you have a wrench and a hammer for the Jawas to attack the droid with. So, what do you think of today's build? Make sure to comment down below. Who's your favorite character? The Jawa with the tattered shirt, the Jawa with the fine shirt, the Tuscan Raider, or the astromech droid? I'm so glad to add these figures to my collection. And speaking of my collection, if we could get 50 likes on this video, I'll do a collections video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment who is your favorite fig. And until next time, Tyson time out. So, what do you think of today's build? What's up, guys? It's Tyson time today with